Howdy tractor friends, another episode here, Gausaleen Garage. Why I will never utilize another 3-point box blade again. I'll go over why. Hydraulic powered up and down and articulation 6-foot box scraper behind the 40 horse Kioti CK4010. The nice thing about the hydraulic powered, obviously it's just like pulling a trailer, you know, up and down as you would a 3-point box blade. Obviously you can pick that up when you're not using it. You get to where you want. You got those rear hydraulic controls there. You can center up for travel, drop it down how you like. Once you fill it, you could also pick it up a little bit so you can just fill in the low spots. The nice thing about this is that it doesn't travel up and down with the tractor. As you'll see here in a second, the bad thing, as we all experience with our box blades or these scrapers, is the sticks and twigs that will bind up there on one side. So this road has a lot of trees down the side, so a lot of sticks and twigs will bind that up, and then it won't quite scrape completely across there, as you see. So I reshifted over there. At another point in time, I actually went down the road with a leaf blower and blew all the sticks and twigs off of the dirt there, so that way I could get a good clean scrape. The road does have a pitch to it. I did use a scraper blade at an angle and create a crown there, so that way you'll see here now it's filled up and the box blade is all the way up. That one tire is just barely touching that crown, but it starts to shift over, you know, it slides a little to the what would be the right here, you know, down the pitch, but it's creating a nice smooth surface. A little dry here. The next time I went through, I did it after a rain. I didn't get that on video, but it actually made for a much smoother surface and a better finished product there on the finished grading of the road. Apologies on the glitchiness of the video. It was done with my cell phone, as I do all my videos, trying to keep them short, sweet, to the point. Now keep in mind, I did put this in 4-wheel drive to tow it. It did run nicely in 4-wheel drive. I didn't have to worry about spinning the back tires. I do not have any liquid-filled back tires. I don't have any additional weight, so this is just a stock weight tractor. I did have the grapple on the front of the tractor, so I did have a bucket up there. Same thing, same amount of weight, basically. Nice thing about that, I was picking it up. I dropped a little load there, a pile, and as you see here, I'll grab it back as I come back down the road, so that way you can shift around and move it just as you would with a 3-point, picking it up and dropping it. This scrape was a little better finished product after I went over it once and kind of roughed up all the dusty stuff, kind of got it with a little bit of the moisture in the road. And then after I had it down there, I slightly picked it up so it would just fill those dead spots. If you see the fender there on the tractor going up and down, but that box scraper is staying dead flat, so you won't run into the washboard instances like you do with a 3-point attached that's moving with the tractor as it goes up and down. I was running about 2,000 RPM going up and down this road. Did get my first regen on the Kioti. I know it hits around 40 hours or so I ticked in as I was finishing up. But I'll be posting some more videos as I run this through some more paces, and I'll try to keep the videos short and sweet. Thanks all. Take care.